Hey guys, time to learn how to make some new DIYs using this tumbler cup machine. So I've always wanted to learn how to make some resin tumblers, just never really got to it and kind of scared about making them because I've never done anything like this. So hopefully it's not too hard. Everything that I've seen, videos and tutorials, they make it seem so easy, so hopefully it will be. But I did go ahead and order a box basically with a little bit of everything to learn how to make tumblers. It came with the machine, also some foam for your cups and glitter, and then I'm assuming this is all the supplies you need in order to add your resin onto your cup, from the dripping mat to also some stir sticks, gloves, and just a little bit of everything that I'm assuming you need. So hopefully this won't be too hard. I also made a link in my bio from my Amazon storefront of everything that I did order, because I did order everything from Amazon. So hopefully if you guys want to learn how to make resins and you want to take the plunge and go order all the supplies, it'll be easy for you to just go ahead and check everything out there. But again, I did order everything from Amazon, so hopefully I do have enough to start learning. If you guys know of anything that maybe I didn't pick up or that I really do need in order to start, let me know in the comments below. Or if you guys know of any TikTokers or YouTubers that are really good at teaching you step by step how to start learning how to make resin tumblers, leave the links also below so I can go check them out and learn along with you guys. Again, this is going to be fun because I've always wanted to learn not just how to make them with Cricut, because I do have a Cricut, so I am going to be using my Cricut for certain pictures and stuff like that. But I also want to try to use like the rub-on stickers from Dollar Tree, and I've also even seen other TikTokers and YouTubers use printed paper, like pictures and stuff like that. So we'll see which one I do first and which one comes easy to me. But this is the way you just assemble this package that I ordered, and this is how it spins. And then again, once it's all dry, you just put it onto one of the hooks and let it dry upside down. This is the hook. It's easy to open, and it did come with two of them. And then you just put the little foam on top, and there you have it. Now this is the epoxy resin that I got. I didn't want to get too big of a package, but I did want to get enough because I know I will be making a lot of mistakes, but that's the way you learn. If you guys know of any other epoxy that maybe is better for a resin cup, let me know also below. But this is the one I ordered, and the link is in my Amazon tumbler supply link. So yeah, hopefully you guys will enjoy.